There is some great news for home buyers and sellers in the California Association of Realtors market forecast for 2022. We're going to cover all the information and discuss how each factor impacts buyers and sellers. I'm Tim Hamilton with StellarQuest Real Estate. If you enjoy watching this video, I would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see our future videos. We do a lot of different housing market updates and forecasts and discuss a variety of real estate related topics. First, we'll start with the total number of closed sales, which is expected to decrease slightly, largely due to supply constraints and rising home prices, which will impact affordability. Despite the slowdown, it is still expected to be the second highest number of closed sales in the last 5 years. They're expecting a 5.2% drop compared to 2021. So overall, we're still expecting to have a strong housing market in California with a lot of homes selling. For buyers, this means the market is still going to be competitive, but hopefully you'll be competing with slightly less offers than you would have been in 2021. For sellers, this means it's still likely going to be a great time to sell a home. You just may get slightly less showings and less offers compared to 2021. They are expecting the median home price to rise by 5.2%. This is much slower than the 20.3% projected increase we saw in 2021, but it is still a very strong housing market and a steady increase in home values. This level of appreciation would be very similar to what we saw between 2015 and 2019, which were all considered strong years in the housing market. They believe the price appreciation will be driven by imbalances between supply and demand, as there simply are not enough homes on the market for buyers to purchase. Furthermore, they also stated that they expect demand to shift to more affordable areas, and the rise in interest rates will likely keep home values in check this year. Next up, we have the Housing Affordability Index. This number is an attempt to calculate the percentage of the population that could afford the monthly payment on the median priced home, assuming they have a 20% down payment. You can see in 2022, the number is expected to drop to 23% from a projected 26% in 2021. So when the number drops, this means less families are going to be able to afford to purchase a home this year. This is the lowest affordability number we've seen since 2015, and we saw the highest affordability number in 2020 at 32%. This is part of the reason the California Association of Realtors is expecting the total number of closed sales to decrease slightly this year. Housing is becoming more expensive, and fewer families are going to be able to purchase a home as home prices continue to increase and interest rates rise at the same time. Interest rates have a large impact on the Housing Affordability Index. One of the main reasons they're expecting a decrease in affordability is because they're also forecasting an increase in interest rates to an average of 3.5% for 2022. This is considerably higher than the average projected 3% we saw in 2021, and it will make purchasing a home more expensive for home buyers. If you're thinking about buying a home, you definitely want to keep an eye on interest rates. If you decide to wait to the end of the year and interest rates do in fact increase, you'll be forced into one of two scenarios. Either you can purchase the same priced home for a higher monthly mortgage payment, or if you want to keep your monthly mortgage payment the same as it is today, you would be purchasing a less expensive home. The good news for homeowners and potential sellers is that this is likely going to remain a strong housing market in 2022. Buyer demand is likely to remain strong, and homes will continue to appreciate in value at a steady rate. For buyers, the good news is there will likely be slightly less buyer competition in 2022. This means you'll be competing against slightly less offers, and you'll have a higher chance of getting your offer accepted in a multiple offer situation. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home and you want to know what I can do to help, or you have any questions, please feel free to call, text, or email me anytime. You can find all of my contact information in the description below. I've gotten a number of phone calls recently, and it's been very rewarding for me to help people out by sending them valuable information or just simply answering their questions about the housing market. So please don't hesitate to reach out. I am happy to help.